Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's day 10 of Off the Board, and this is my inspiration for today. I'm going to try and replicate that beautiful heart with the string across it. Let's see how that goes, huh? The collection or the embellishments I'm using today are from the Willow and Grace collection from Uniquely Creative. That is new this month, and I couldn't wait to get it because it is perfect for my photo. My gorgeous puppy with my daughter. I don't think he was well on this day. I can't quite remember. But like he was getting baby snuggles. So he just loves being cuddled like that. So cute. Anyway, and embellishments from that range. And also their new stamp that came with that range called Vintage Receipt. And I've die cut a few extra green leaves. Now the heart and the string, I've done the heart. What I did was in Brother's work space, whatever it's called, I put a heart on there and then chose the outline to be a dashed line and print it out. But it really is just a score, but I wanted it as a guide to get the perfect heart. So then where the dashes were, I used my pokey tool and just poked each hole where the dashes were, and that is what I'm going to use to form my heart. Hopefully it works. I've trimmed 1/2 inch off two sides because I want to put it on a backing piece of paper, and I'm going to do the heart with embroidery thread. So this is DMC Acrue. I tried twine. I couldn't get the needle threaded with twine, so I know with embroidery thread it's not going to be a problem. And I'm just going to cut a length and just probably 2 strands. So this will be fun trying to get this separated. Let me try when I do embroidery. Anyway, I'm going to, that came out funny, didn't it? Gosh, wish I could talk. Do I want to do 2 or 1? Maybe 2. I don't think 1's going to be seen. So we shall see how this goes. I'm going to start it and then probably cut a lot of it out because it's going to be pretty repetitive, and I think it's going to take a long time. So I'm just going to get this started. Fingers crossed I can get my needle threaded. I normally have my funny goggles on when I'm doing my cross stitching so that I can see. Oh, I did that. Very good. All right, now the plan is not to get it too tangled. I'm going to move this out of the way. Let me just put that on my needle minder so I don't lose it. And I'm going to tape it on the back, and then we can get started. Now I've also rearranged my desk today, so things are on the opposite side to what they used to be. I don't know, I just thought that was a good idea, maybe not. And I have no idea how I'm going to do this, as in what pattern. I am just going to pick a hole and go across to the other side somewhere. Sorry if my head gets in the way. And my messy hair. I've always got messy hair. Okay, and then, I don't know, do I go down, who knows? I just randomly pick a hole, I guess. This is going to take a lot of twine and a lot of starts and stops. Whoops. But we'll see what we can come up with, huh? Oh, and there's our first knot. Do not do that. There we go. Alright. So I'm hoping it's going to look okay. Trying to find a hole from the back is probably not wise. It's not the same as using the proper embroidery fabric. Alright, so I will come back with the completed heart, and fingers crossed we have something decent. Okay, so there is the heart done. I am so happy with how that turned out. It is so pretty. I don't know whether you can see that. I'll try and bring it up. I could be causing shadows though because of my two bright lights. But that is so good, and it was so easy to do. I loved it. Really, really easy. So I just randomly picked a hole, went to another spot, and then I picked another hole close by, went to another spot, picked another hole close by, and just kept going like that. And it was so much fun. I loved it. All right, so now I'm going to get on with the rest of the page. Let's get started. Okay, there is my page, and I am absolutely in love with this page. Oh my goodness. And it's not because I came up with the idea. I just basically scrap lifted that page. I put the elements in the same places. And yeah, it is just so awesome. I love it. This range from Uniquely Creative, Willow and Grace, I can see me using this a lot because it is just, the colouring is gorgeous. And it's got my little Pookie. Look, oh, he's so cute. And you know, I never used to be a dog person. I was never a cat person either, but we got a cat. Said I'd never get a dog until my daughter asked for a dog, and she wore me down and we got a dog, and oh my gosh, he is the cutest thing. But there you go. That is my page. Make sure you follow along with everyone who's playing along with off the board, sorry. There's a playlist below that has everyone's videos, and if you've liked this layout, please give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.